Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Replit for turning ideas into projects for LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to Replit, open your web browser and navigate to the Replit website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. You can sign up using your email address or by linking your GitHub or Google account. Once you're logged in, locate the subscription plans available on the site. To find the subscription options, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Pro or Upgrade to view the subscriptions available. Review the features included in each subscription tier. Choose the plan that best fits your needs for turning ideas into projects. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card details or select an alternative payment method. After entering your billing information, confirm your subscription by clicking the Complete Purchase button. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Return to your Replit dashboard to start creating projects. Utilize the resources available to brainstorm and develop your ideas. Explore community templates to help you get started. Collaborate with others by inviting team members to your projects. Now you're ready to transform your ideas into successful projects on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.